The cabinet meeting of the Mohan Yadav government was held on Monday. Public Works Minister Rakesh Singh shared details of the decision. The cabinet approved the second phase construction of Dharma Shastra National University in Jabalpur. An amount of rupees 197 crore was sanctioned for this project. New buildings like the Vice Chancellor's residence and staff quarters will be constructed. The cabinet also informed that foundation stone ceremony for medical colleges in Baitul and Dhar will be held soon. However, the proposal related to allocating land for worshippers of Jama Masjid in Indore was deferred. The issue was not discussed even after being part of the agenda. The proposal was linked to a 2003 decision of the Digvijay Singh government. Madhya Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Jagdish Devra held a budget dialogue program in Bhopal on Monday. He said the state budget will be prepared according to public expectations. He announced that Madhya Pradesh will become the first state in India to work on a rolling budget plan for the next 3 years. Devra stated that the budget is not just a financial document but reflects the hopes of common people. He emphasized public participation in budget preparation. The government wants to include people's suggestions in policy decision. According to him, this approach will help in making development more inclusive and transparent. The education system of Madhya Pradesh has come under sharp criticism. Samajwadi Party State President Manoj Yadav addressed a press conference and targeted School Education Minister Uday Pratap Singh. He claimed that nearly 35,000 schools are closed across the state. He also said the government plans to shut down 6,972 more schools. Manoj Yadav alleged that 1,275 schools have no teacher at all. In some places, private or temporary teachers are being hired illegally. He called this as a sign of corruption and accused the government of promoting privatization of education. He said poor children are suffering the most due to these policies. District Collector Sandeep GR conducted a surprise inspection in Theory Blocks village, Titarpani and Maharajpur. As soon as officials received the information about his visit, there was panic in the administrative staff. The collector inspected a cowshed in Titarpani village. Later, he visited high school and primary school in Maharajpur and interacted with the students. He checked the quality of the midday meal and gave instruction to provide nutritious food. He also inspected a girls' hostel and private cowshed. A public meeting was held in the Panchayat office where many local problems were resolved on the spot. The collector motivated the students to work hard for exams. In Bhopal, Hindu Utsav Samiti and Sanskriti Bachao Manch have issued a warning to missionary school regarding Christmas celebrations. The group said the children should not be forced to dress as Santa Claus in school. Committee President Chandrasekhar Solanki stated that parental consent must be taken before making children participate in such activities. He warned that legal action will be taken if schools ignore the instruction. The organization said they respect all festivals but oppose forcing religious symbols on children without permission. The issue has sparked debate on cultural sensitivity and parental rights in school activities across the city. A violent clash occurred in Arjunpura village under Deoghar police station area of Morena district. The dispute started over wire fencing on a farm boundary. The conflict turned violent when one group allegedly attacked the other with sticks. It is claimed that around 2 dozen people from the Gurjar community entered the house of Sikarwar couple and assaulted them badly. Vehicle parked outside were also damaged. A video of the incident has surfaced. The victim accused the police of not taking action due to political pressure. Injured Ashok Sikarwar alleged that the main accused Pratap Gurjar is the media aide of Agriculture Minister Edil Singh Kansana. A major fire broke out in a school van in Chandla area of Chhatarpur district after an LPG cylinder exploded. The incident happened in the morning after children had been dropped off at school. Thankfully, no students were inside the van at that time. Local people helped control the fire. Allegations have been made that the van was illegally running on an LPG gas cylinder. Residents claim that despite such dangers, the administration has not taken strict action against such vehicles. The incident has raised serious questions about student safety and the lack of proper monitoring of school transport vehicles. Cold weather continues across many parts of Madhya Pradesh. Several cities are experiencing low temperature during morning and night hours. In places like Bhopal, Indore, Gwalior, Jabalpur and Ujjain, people are feeling a strong winter chill. Fog was seen in early morning hours in some districts, affecting visibility on road. The weather department said cold winds from North India are entering the state. Due to this, night temperature have dropped further. Doctors have advised people to stay warm, especially children and elderly person. Farmers have also been asked to take precaution to protect crop from the cold conditions.